Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm a mentor as well as analyst and host of the Grok Star Trading Room. Here is a trade that we had this morning on PAY, Verifone Systems. It did gap down at opening, and then it began to rise and form what we call a bear pullback, and it was testing the low of the morning right here. So I went ahead and I set a short order just under that, because if it broke to the downside, I wanted to be short. Let's see what happened next. Bam! Look at that. And now I am short at 32.08. Let's see what goes on after that. Begins to fall. Using this 8 EMA, exponential moving average, as resistance. Keeps falling down below it. Now what I have drawn in here, as I noticed as I was in this trade, that it was forming a falling wedge. If you want to know what a falling wedge is, you can go to our free online tradingeducation.com, to our free chart school. Look at falling wedge, and here's a description of it. And then here is a picture of it, where it's getting smaller and smaller as it's falling. This is actually a bullish formation, that it will tend to break out and take off. And that's what we have here. It's getting smaller and smaller to the downside. So I went ahead and I set my stop just above this downtrend line. Let's see what happens. Continues to fall inside the wedge. Boom, there it goes. It popped right out of it, and I'm out at 31.19 for 2.4%. And let's see if it was actually a bullish pattern. Sure enough, look at that. It's taking off now. And it was just like that. And it took me a little while to get my order in and get it filled, but I got filled here long at 31.54. Normally my reverses are right at the same time. This time they were separate orders. But let's see what happened next. Kind of caught some resistance here and just going sideways. It actually came back here to my entry level. Now we have the following 50 period moving average here. Boom, it pops up above it. This is good. There, and it popped up here to $32. And I then pulled back immediately. So that was resistance. It's pulling back. And then bam, I pulled my stop up underneath the 8 EMA, and it took me out right here at 31.82 for 0.8%. So these two trades together, from here down to here, sorry, here upward to here, was a total of 3.2%. The lesson here is that when you are short in a formation that is actually a bullish formation, you'd be ready to exit and or reverse at a moment's notice as soon as it begins to break to the upside on this bullish pattern. So if you are not happy with the way that you're trading and you'd like to trade better, well, we have some of the best training available for traders. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, to our main page. Down below under premium products, you can go right here to the Grok Trade Mentorship. We have one going on this weekend, 3-day immersion training. It starts Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, the 16th through the 18th. If you'd like more information about it, we'd like to have a conversation with you about what is the best fit for you and to build your trading skills. Here's what it entails, and also down below here are many testimonials of people who have graduated from the mentoring course. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. You just remember, amateurs chase the price on a stock. Professionals let the market come to them.